Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com, the premier dealership here in San Diego, California. So if you're looking to accessorize your brand new 2020 or 2021 Vespa GTS 300 HPE, I got a nice, easy, simple mod that you could do to dress up your scooter. So on pretty much all modern Vespas and vintage Vespas, they've always had a horn cover. The vintage Vespas, you know, it's an integral metal part. Modern Vespas, it's always been a plastic part that attaches to the metal frame. And they've gone everything from just some basic grill for your horn to, in the most recent years, they've had various styles of chevrons. So starting in 2020, they went to this newer style front horn cover, and it uses this specific style of chevrons, you know, and it's 3 separate individual parts in there. So the cool thing about these parts is they are interchangeable, and based on what trim level you get different styles. So this is a standard GTS or the GTS Touring HPE trim. You're going to have the chrome chevrons, and say you have black ones, you want to replace the chrome ones. We have the whole set of chrome ones. The part number on these chrome ones is 1B00577-set-K1. And you can look in the description of this video. I'll have all 6 of the different chevron designs that we have available. Many of the sporty trims, such as the Chevrons, have black chevrons. And the cool thing is they come in both gloss or matte like this. So if you have a Racing 60s or the Chevrons, you're going to have the matte ones. And pretty much it's that same part number, the 1B00577-set, but you have the suffix of -90 for the gloss set of chevrons and -NQ for these matte finish chevrons. And the last OEM style that we have available is the red chevrons, and they're found on the Super Sport. So you can see these Super Sport trim levels have the matte finish paint jobs, and they come with the gloss red chevrons. There's 2 aftermarket sets of chevrons that are available, and I'm going to replace them and show you how to do that. But you can get any of these OEM chevrons. It's just based on the suffix of the part. If you search 1B00577 on ScooterWest.com, you'll see the whole sets. If you do the suffix R7, you'll get the red set. And they're all pretty inexpensive for the whole set of 3 of them. So you can change up your scooter. Maybe you have the black ones and want to go for the red ones. Maybe you have chrome, you want to go for black. They all switch out. So let me show you the custom sets that we have available, which are a SIP exclusive part that we carry at ScooterWest.com. So I think these ones are really cool and show your Italian pride for your Italian stallion Vespa here. So just type the suffix of IT and you get the 3 colores here, you know, the green, white, and red. So we're going to show you how to change these out. Real simple to change out. And there's also one that I don't have right here at this moment, and it's a faux carbon fiber. So it's like a hydro-dipped carbon fiber look. So it would be a black with kind of that yellowish carbon fiber pattern to it. And the suffix on that one is -carbon. So again, look in the description of this video. You can see all these different part numbers and the links to the Scooter West website on finding these items. So let me show you the fun part. Let's change them out. And it's really, really simple. All you gotta do is carefully pop your badge off. I'd recommend using a plastic pry tool. We do have those available. I'll have that part in the description. I'm gonna cheat a little bit and carefully use a flat blade screwdriver. Lift from the right side of the badge. It's got a little slot that allows you to lift the badge off. And underneath there is a single Torx screw that you need to remove, a T25 Torx driver. And if you don't have a driver, such as something like this, just go ahead and open up your glove box. You don't even need to buy any tools to do this job. So, you know, with your scooter, you're gonna have a tool kit, and it's inside the glove box in that little pouch. So you'll be able to locate a T25 Torx driver in here. And it comes in this little wrench right here. Remove the single screw, then carefully pull this whole entire cover off. And I'm also pull-in pressure down below because there's a pair of prongs. And if you bend it too much, you could break these prongs. So take extra care when removing this. So next, I'm just gonna do this on my lap. We're gonna go ahead and remove the chevrons, and I'll show you how to do that. So these are kind of like a one-way, like Chinese finger trap arrangement. So I'm pushing up with a small screwdriver, pushing this little tab, and as I'm pushing up, I'm also pushing it out. So it's a combination of both motions right there. So you gotta push these through and they'll snap right out without damage. You don't want to stick a screwdriver in there and pry. Just carefully pushing them up and then down, and you just gotta carefully work them and they'll just snap right out. Once you get the hang of it, they're nice and quick. And then they pop all out, and at this point you can even put the horn cover back on. And the cool thing is you got those 3 snaps. Just give it a snap back in place, and to put the chevrons in, you just 2 fingers, they snap right in place. So unfortunately you do have to remove them to change them out. And different colors, it might look better. Like probably on a black scooter you might see the colors a little bit better, but I think it looks pretty subtle and cool on this this Mari Bianco white GTS 300 here. But the tricolore, it will work pretty much with any of the colors. The carbon one obviously would be a great little accent on a sportier scooter such as the Super Tech or the Super Sport, but it doesn't get any simpler than that. You don't even need to own any tools. All the tools needed to do the job are located in the tool bag with your scooter. And the Phillips driver, if you need a flat blade screwdriver, you can flip that around and you have a screwdriver to press those old ones out of place. So you can do the same effect as what I was doing with that little small flat blade screwdriver. Thanks again for watching one of Robot's shameless promotional videos for our web shop, scooterwest.com, here in sunny San Diego, California. We have all these items in stock. Just search our website, scooterwest.com, and just remember the number 1B000577, and just type that into search and you'll see the 6 different variations of the sets of chevrons for your 2020 and later Vespa GTS 300. Also, if you're on a computer or a smartphone watching this, a tablet, you could go in the description and just click the links that go right to our website. And this is just a scratch in the hundreds of accessories we have available that will fit the Vespa GTS 300 HP. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for supporting us. Support our channel by purchasing products from us on scooterwest.com. If you're in San Diego, support our dealership. Specialize in both vintage and modern Vespas. Until next time, Robot here.